Didn't make it to 50, much less a brand that is owned by a black-owned company. We don't take that lightly, ladies and gentlemen.
Now I need to hear the voice. When I get up, I'm burning off again. I'll never look like, oh, come on, get up. Burn off again.
Hey guys, it's Queenteshna here. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for a while now, and I just wanted to come on and do like a chit chat, get rid of me. I'm headed to Luster's Pink, or the Tama-ra Soiree, and basically Luster's Pinks are going to be there celebrating the 50 years since they've launched the pink moisturizer. I've collaborated with them before in my previous video, you can see. So I'm heading to this soiree because not only are they celebrating 50 years of the product, it's been 61 years of them in business, and also it's Black History Month over here in the UK. So everybody's coming together. There's going to be food, dinner, like entertainment. So I'm excited to go and yeah, just get dolled up together. So first thing first, I'm going to start off by applying my primer. I've already added moisturizer. I'm going to add the NYX primer and just gonna get that all over my face. Hey guys, so this was meant to be a chit chat get ready with me, but it didn't quite work out. So if you do want a different video of like a life update or a Q&A video, just let me know, comment below, and I'll happily create a different video for that. In the meantime, I'm just going to do a regular voiceover. So I'm using two different foundations. I'm using the Studio Fix Fluid, and I'm also mixing the Revlon Color Stay foundation, which is a really nice foundation. It's cheap as well. So I'm going to use my brow pomade to fill in my brows, and this is a dark brown from Revolution Pro, and all the products that I use will be in the description, so feel free to check that. I'm keeping my makeup very simple, or what I consider to be very simple anyways. So I'm going to highlight my brows. You know, you've seen this 1,000 times, using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's the shade Toffee. So it's just like maybe like a shade lighter than my own natural skin color. Then I'm going to blend that out using a beauty blender. So I'm using my Tarte eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use like a dark purple. I'm going to blend that into my crease area, and I'm just going to continue blending and using a lighter color. I'm going to add that on my eyelids, and I'm just going to, you know, blend it in with my fingers. This makeup look, y'all, is so simple. This is like one of my go-to looks because it's so easy to do. And I'm adding like a total of 3 different eyeshadows really, and that's just blend them in, I think. Then for a transition color, I'm going to use like a blush color, and it's meant to be like a blush, and I'm going to just blend it out just to kind of put all the colors together. Then lastly, I'm going to finish off the look with some eyeliner, and this is a felt tip eyeliner, and this is also, this is from Rimmel actually. It's the Scandal eyes, and it's the felt tip marker eyeliner, and I'm going to go in and add some lashes, you know, just to finish off the look. And these lashes are from Ardell, as you can see. And lastly, I've been trying out some new products. So I'm using the Revolution concealer, and this concealer is really nice actually. It's a nice little switch up from the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's not, I didn't want it to be too much lighter than my skin. I want it to be a little bit like the same skin color, so it's a little bit lighter but not too much. I'm just gonna blend that in again with my beauty blender, and I just blend it out. I really like this concealer actually. This is not too drying or anything. I'm also using another new product. Yes, this was introduced to me by my girl Neela from, you know, Cool Chick Beauty, and it's from Barry M setting powder, and this setting powder is really nice. Now to finish off the look, I'm using my MAC setting powder. Oh, this is this is a face powder really, Studio Fix Fluid Matte, and it's NC50 is a shade. And you see me use this product 1,000 times. This is my CoverGirl bronzer, which I'm just using to kind of give me a nice little contour, or just like just to define my cheek area, you know, give me that snatch look. And I'm keeping it very simple. Like I said, why I consider it to be simple. And I'm gonna go in with a pink blush from NYX, and this pink blush is very soft. It doesn't really show up on your skin too much, but I don't mind it. And then lastly, I'm gonna add some highlight from Fenty Beauty, and this highlight is Hustla Baby, and I'm just gonna add that to the top of my cheeks and just above my eyebrows, just to kind of give me a little glow, you know, just a touch, nothing crazy. Then going in with my mascara, and this mascara is from, where's this mascara? It's also from Rimmel actually, and it's the Extra Super Lash, and it does the job. I really like it. Now once I add my mascara, I'm going to use two different lip colors, and these are both liquid lipsticks. One is from LA Girl and the other is from Makeup Monster Cosmetics, and they're like one's like a burgundy-ish pink, and the other one's like a maroon, like a dark. They're both like dark burgundies, but one's darker than the other. And I feel like these lipsticks, I just love the look. It's really kind of autumn, kind of transitioning into fall, kind of, you know. And this is the finished look, guys. Yeah, I will have a different hair tutorial, a separate video for this hair tutorial if you want to see that, coming up on Thursday. And for my outfit, I kept it very me. I went with a floral dress and some nude heels and a black handbag. Very, you know, very simple is what I had. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.